Hello there, my name is Lawrence Troxler, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. First, I love to create. Second, I love to dress nice. I love to look good. And ultimately, I love the way that clothes can make a person feel good about themselves. As Marc once said, to me, clothing is a form of self-expression. There are hints about who we are and how we dress. When I was younger, the one thing that my dad used to always say to me is that you can never get a second chance to make a first impression. And for some reason, that stuck with me in my mind. And because of that, I always made sure that before I walked out the door, I was coordinated from head to toe. My clothes were pressed, my hair was done, and I was feeling like $1,000,000 just in case I ran into somebody. Sophia Amoruso once said that clothing is ultimately the suit of armor in which we battle the world. Depending on your day, that armor may change. I hope to give you insight into my fashion and style choices, show you how you can walk out of the door feeling like $1,000,000, whatever the occasion, and introduce you to different clothing and style options that you may have not known about, so that you can expand your form of self-expression. If you want to come along with me on this journey, I urge you to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified when I put out new content weekly. And last of all, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't wait to see what this community turns into.